A very cheerful morning to all my little angels. How are you? Playing a lot, enjoying monsoon, but along with that you have to write something also. लिखना भी तो अच्छा लगता है ना आपको, है ना? So today we will be doing worksheets of statement and sentence. Okay? So let's start with a worksheet. English grammar worksheet. Okay? Put in capital letters, full stop and question marks in the right places and rewrite the sentences. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So how you will be writing this? Tell me. And Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So full stop. This one will be in capital, J will be capital again, went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. What will be the ending point? Full stop. You have to put the full stop. Next one, do you want a chocolate? D will be capital and chocolate, and afterwards it's a question. Do you want a chocolate? So it will be a question. Rohit and John are playing in the park. Rohit and John, they are the particular names. So they will be in capital letter, and what will be the ending point? We will be putting full stop. Next one, have you seen the Taj Mahal? I am asking to you, have you seen a Taj Mahal? The Taj Mahal. So capital and again capital and again question mark. सवाल पूछ रही हूँ ना मैं आपसे. Yes. Sachin Tendulkar plays cricket for India. Sachin Tendulkar. Both will be in capital. It's a particular name. India. I will be capital, and again it's a statement. So full stop. Next one. Mr. Brown came to see us on Friday. Mr. M will be capital, R after R small dot. Brown came to see us on Friday, full stop. So I repeat for you, Mr. M will be capital, Brown, B will be capital again, see us came to see us on Friday, so F again will be a capital, and last full stop. Got it? Very nice. This task is for you. You have to identify and write the names in a capital letter where necessary. Write the names of the following using capital letters where necessary. Identify the picture. Rabbit. Spelling of rabbit you have to write. Mahatma Gandhi. Taj Mahal. Diwali. Followed? So write the names of the following using capital letters where necessary. See rabbit. So it does not require any capital. So small. RABBIT. Mahatma Gandhi. It's a particular special name. So M and G will be capital. Children, I have done 2 for you, and remaining 2 you will be doing. So you have followed whole worksheet. So I hope you will be able to do the whole worksheet. So children, do properly and play a lot also. Till then, remain safe. God bless you.